What is up everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. Today, I want to talk about TikTok. I want to say thank you to TikTok as my first time. You can get as much as information from you. That's why it's so highly addictive. That's why it's very popular among the teenager. That Firuza speak out for the Uyghurs on the TikTok and she got banned. That is the app don't allow you to speak about the justice, especially for the Uyghurs. That's the app try to control the topic of the world. So you still want to use it. That's how much I hate TikTok. So I never recommend anyone use it. If you're using it, stop. You can jump onto Snapchat, whatever you want. It's way better. But why I say thanks to the TikTok today? Because here's some Uyghur parents found their kids through the TikTok. Here's the story. For that, I need to give a quick summary about the video called China's Uyghur Muslim, The Search for Lost Children, which released September 2019 from Syknews YouTube channel. I'll also put the original video link below this video. The journalist from the Syknews tried to help the Uyghur mother, Khalbunur Tursun, search her 6-year-old daughter Aisha, and help Uyghur father Abdurrahman search his 4-year-old son from Chinese concentration orphanage. Those orphanages were built for the Uyghur kids who lost their parents because of Chinese communist ethnic cleansing toward Uyghurs. Also for those kids like Aisha, like Abdulaziz, whose parents actually still alive. Both kids founded in Chinese orphanage center through the Chinese popular social media app TikTok. And look at these Uyghur kids carefully. They have same uniform. All their hair got shaved with same style. Prison style. The video described what happened and what the journalists saw during their trip to China. And how CCP turned our home become a surveillance state. How they even chained up our daily used knife. How they banned a grow a beard. How they banned a mask. They listed 14 possible local kindergartens and orphanage and tried to search Aisha and Abdulaziz. But local government and the armed police always showed up and checked their documents very often and ridiculously blocked their road by making different fake accidents on the road and even dig out the whole road for stops them to visit those places.
It was a bizarre display, straight out of the Truman Show. So here we are, and as we got a bit close to this digger, which was scooping out earth, dumping it there rather bizarrely, the driver exited the cabin at quite some speed. We don't know where he's gone, and you can see there's been absolutely no waterworks here whatsoever. It is an impressive show. It's a ridiculous show, because we're not trying to find state secrets here. We're just trying to find a bit of information about the children of Xinjiang.
So they secretly drive at night, try to close to the location which marked online as a concentration camp. And then this is what they saw. Huge center with high walls, watchtowers, and the sign on the building said maintain stability and security for the society. Eventually they failed to get any information from the kids. Aisha's mother was very sad and told the journalist she wished she can see her daughter soon. And she wished she can explain to her daughter that's not her mother's fault. That's all about the video, guys. Did you see how Chinese communist officials stopped the journalist to search the kids? They just threw the bicycle on the road, said there's an accident, you can't cross the road. This is the shameless Communist Party claim to the journalists this is a car accident so you can't cross to visit the orphanage school. They just block their road by this fake accident. Look at it. The car, the electric bicycle, doesn't have any problem, any damage. So obviously this is a fake accident made by Communist Party. Or they just dig the road up and then said the road is not able to cross. That's the reason.
They will dig the road now because the water pipe underground is broken. Then
they're just gonna dig the road.
Then they ask us leave now.
Again, shameless Chinese officials chased the journalists and then said they will dig the road ahead. So why don't you just let them go and then dig your road? Those shameless Chinese officials, they don't care they're making sense or not, they're shameless or not. They only want to follow the Chinese communist regime so that they can keep their head above their shoulder. The journalists from the Syknews tried so hard. Thank you again for your kindness to help us to search our kids in concentration camp. And of course you can't get any information. We as Uyghurs, we don't have a country, we don't have a government. We as the lambs waiting Chinese Communist Party slaughter, rape, kill, took their organs. No one can do anything to them. Even the biggest superpower country from the world, USA, lost their 80,000 lives because of Chinese virus. They still cannot able to get any single information about this virus. All Chinese Communist Party is using their trap, their lie, again and again, endless lie. As he tried to say, oh yeah, let's make a better deal with a trade deal this time. President Trump said 100 trade deals is not gonna take the thousands of people's life back. Yes, it is. So what about the Uyghurs' life? We lost since Chinese Communist Party invaded our land. Only last 3 years, 3 million Uyghurs disappeared. At least, should we hold China accountable for this too? Of course. Everything. Any single mosque they destroyed. Every single forced marriage. Every single life. Every single organ they harvested from Uyghurs. Any single forced marriage. Any single person they put in the concentration camp. Any single child who forced to take into the orphanage school. We will hold China accountable for this all. It will be the one day. And another thing I want to talk, that sign on the wall about aim to hold the stability and the security for the society. We living there for thousands of years. We never have any security, stability issue. Why after you came, you need to hold the stability? Stop sending those communist bots, communist robots, rip our daughter, rip our girls. That's the best way to solve any unstable, unsecurity issue. You should not invade someone's land and try to hold the stability. That's not gonna work. Alright guys, that's all about this video. And I can talk a lot, but I want to save for the next time. Please subscribe my channel. Alright guys, if you want to support me as UyghurMan, if you want my voice can reach a lot of people, you want to hear the truth about what's going on to Uyghurs, please subscribe my channel, please support my channel, please click the like button, please share this video. That's all you can do. All my topic because of the anti-China, anti-Chinese Communist Party. So even though in the future, if I reach 1 million subscribers, I'm not able to make any ads revenue from this channel. All I want is let the real life, the real situation of Uyghurs to reach more and more people. Let the people know about it. Because we don't have a media. That's why Chinese Communist Party can report whatever they want. They still can report we are the happiest people in the world. I supposed to be the happiest people in the world. My name is happy. Children means happy, happiness, but I'm not happy because of Chinese Communist Party, okay? I want to give my people happy life back. That's the purpose of me. That's the purpose of my name. That's why my name is Children. I want to bring the Children life back to Uyghurs. Please help me guys, and I know we can do this. By sharing, by subscribe my channel, by leave a comment, we can grow this channel. Let's fight with the evil and see who is gonna win, the truth or the evil. Or the justice believer or the evil believer. Alright guys, thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and I will see you next time.